How to close a trade on PRIMEXBT. Are you guys facing issue to close a trade on PRIMEXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now you'll be forwarded to this section. Just simply tap on PRIMEXBT website. Now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you're logged in, you can see a running position at this point. Now just simply click on this position and you can see the stop sign at this point. Click on this stop sign. After you click on stop sign, this message will pop up. Now click on confirm. After you click on confirm, your trade will be closed. And that's it. And as you guys can see, our order has been filled. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.